Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you all good and enjoying your life with your family and friends. Today we have a very important topic which is about hand safety. Uh, our hand is essential for safe many tasks and protecting them is a crucial. Let's go and some important tips to keep your hand safe. First, wear appropriate gloves for the task. Different jobs require different types of gloves, such as a cut resistance, chemical resistance, or heat resistance gloves. Ensure the gloves fit well and are in a good condition. By mindful to pinch point and moving machinery. Keep your hand and fingers away from areas where they could get caught or crushed. Use tool push sticks to guide materials instead of your hands. When using uh, when using hand tools, ensure they are in good condition and suited for the task. Use the right tool for the right job and handle it properly to avoid injuries. Be aware of chemical hazard when working with the chemical. Follow proper handling procedure and use gloves that are resistant to the specific chemical you are using. Practice good housekeeping. Keep your work area clean and free of hazard that could cause cuts or puncture. Dispose of sharp objects properly and keep tools organized. To sum up, hand safety is about using the right protection, being aware of hazards, and following safety practices. By taking these steps, you can keep hands safe and injury free. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more safety tips. Stay safe and protect your hands.